This is going 20. The bag feels like it's about to just burst open.
Oh yeah, this is your order.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you, man. I could actually hit this thing all day. Nice to finally meet you in person, bro. What up, what up? How you doing? Okay, I got you. Thank you, man. Let's go, guys. Another $5. This bike behind me is currently the most powerful dirt bike in the world. And this bike is one of the most expensive dirt bikes on the market right now. It costed me $12,000. So today we're gonna be trying to get some of that money back by doing DoorDash. So about a month ago, I did Uber Eats on the Stark, and you guys showed a lot of love on that video. So today we're gonna be trying out DoorDash and see how it compares up to Uber Eats and see if we can make a little bit more money than we did on that last video. As you guys can tell, they sent me this insulated food bag, but I don't think we're gonna use that today. We're gonna end up just using the backpack like we did last time. So we got this North Face backpack. This is gonna be so much easier to carry around rather than this. I will say though, guys, the good thing about this bike is that it's fully electric, so we won't have to pay for any gas today. I got the app all downloaded and ready to go, so now we're just gonna have to wait for an order. The good thing is it is dinner time, so I'm hoping we get a little rush.
10 seconds later.
Alright guys, looks like we just got our first order to McDonald's, which is nice and close. It's been so hot out recently. It's been in like the 90s all week. The good thing though is it's about 5 p.m. so I'm hoping we get a little dinner rush and it should be a little bit cooler in a little while. Let's go park the bike right up here on this wall. Let's turn it off real quick. The bike looks so clean. Alright, let's grab this order here. It looks like it's like a $4 order.
Did you get your stuff?
I'm just picking up this order here.
Is this your order?
It's the DoorDash order.
Oh yeah, this is your order.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you, man. All right, took a picture. Oh, look at this. This is so clutch. I'm pretty sure we just have to drop it off literally right across the street here at Walgreens. All right, we're gonna have to leave the bike out here for a second. I hate doing this, but what are we gonna do? Just to bring it over to the photo counter here. Excuse me, I'm just dropping this off for Jimmy. Perfect. You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Let's get out here quick so no one steals the bike. Yes, she's still here. Boom, plus $4. Let's go. Ooh, we just got another order here. Looks like it's to the liquor store. It might be a little sketchy to bring liquor, but let's try it. All right, guys, we got about another 2-mile drive here, which isn't bad at all. We always gotta hit this. Oh, I know what I just thought of is I don't even have my ID on me, so I don't know if they'll even let me pick up liquor in the first place. I guess we'll still try though. We're already here. What's going on? How you doing? I'm just picking up a DoorDash order.
DoorDash, okay.
Cool. Thank you, man. You have a good night. We gotta drop this off at these apartments over here. Oh god, there's a cop right there. Today the goal is we gotta give some 5-star quality to these customers so we can get some good tips here. It's so hard to see with these new developments, like the DoorDash navigation doesn't really bring up like all the new buildings and everything. Here's this for you, man. Let me make sure these didn't fall out. I know one of them did. Here you are. There you are, my man. You have a good day. Oh yeah, I think I do need to sign it actually, yeah. Okay, sounds good. The signature? Let's go, another $5, guys. This would be so much more ideal to do with a kickstand. It's such a pain having to like pull out my little stand every single time. Ooh, this is the abandoned restaurant in my hometown here. Oh shit, did this place burn down? Maybe that's why it closed. I thought it closed just because the food sucked. All right guys, it's been about 10 minutes since our last order and we still got nothing. So I'm literally just waiting here in the middle of the street. This says that this is a hot spot, so we'll see if we can get an order here in like a minute or so. This is so rutted out now. Everyone hits this here.
I'm Zach.
Zach, Dylan, man. Dylan. Nice to meet you.
That's my son, Keegan.
Keegan, Dylan.
He's wondering if you have like a YouTube channel or Instagram.
Yeah, I do YouTube for the most part.
Okay.
It's Dylan Does 490, all just like one word.
Okay.
I could actually hit this thing all day. What up, my boy?
What's up?
How we doing?
I'm that one kid on TikTok that keeps texting you.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Nice to finally meet you in person, bro. What up, what up? How we doing? What up, bro? Yo, what up?
Hey.
It's so big, bro. In person, people are always shocked when they see it for the first time. Gotta try to make some money here. We'll see. Peace out, guys. Thank you guys for always showing love on the channel. It's so dope meeting you guys in person. How have we still not got another order? It's been so long. Gotta take a quick pic of the bike while we're waiting. We just got another order, guys, so let's get on the road here. We gotta go to Chai Thai. All right, let's get on the move here. How you doing, man? Yeah, I'm just picking up this order here. Let's see, arrived at store.
2 bag, okay, because she wants separate bag, okay, so you be.
Okay, I got you. Thank you, man. You have a good night. We just got our third order of the day, guys. This one's about 5 miles, so it is a little bit farther, and I'm gonna have to go a little bit slower because the bags look pretty fragile. I wanted to tell you guys too, I think I'm gonna get some supermotos soon here, so if you guys want to see that on the channel, let me know. I always wonder why people go 35 miles per hour on a 50. That just doesn't make any sense. If you guys have made it this far in the video and you're enjoying this type of content, please drop a sub. It helps me out a ton. We're getting pretty close here, about 3 minutes away. Looks like we got a turn on Timberwood Way. I really got to get a phone holder for this if I want to keep making these types of videos. That make it so much easier. All right, here we are. Let's get a good pic here. Let's go, guys, another $5. So I just found out that DoorDash was actually started in 2013. I was surprised by that because I feel like it's only blown up over the last like 5 years or so. And according to ChatGPT, it said they had almost over 800 million orders in 2025. Let's go, we got another order to McDonald's. Grrr. Here we are. We gotta park the bike in our usual spot when we come here. Hello. I'm just picking up this DoorDash order.
DoorDash? Okay, when it's ready, it's coming over there.
Okay, they'll put it right here?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Bro, this is taking so long. We're losing money here. Oh, it ends in 386. Yep, that's the one.
Confirm, please.
Yeah, no worries.
Thank you.
All right, we got Jonathan's order. The only problem is this thing is heavy and this is definitely not fitting in the backpack, so this is gonna be sketchy. This one is gonna be a mission. This thing is literally like 20 pounds. Oh yeah, this is not gonna be good. This is going 20 and the bag feels like it's about to just burst open. Yes, sir. Yeah. What up, bro? What's your name? Nice to meet you, brother. My arm is so pumped right now. Let's not walk through the grass. I did that last time. That's minus 10 service. Boom, another $5. Let's go. We are out here grinding, boys. All right, guys, I just got back to the house. After those 4 orders we took, we made just over $20. Funny enough, last time we did Uber Eats, we made the exact same amount within the same amount of orders. So I guess it's still up for debate. What do you guys think is better, DoorDash or Uber Eats? If you guys are liking these food delivery videos, let me know in the comments because I'll continue to do them for you guys. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.